Hi guys, in this video lecture I'm going to discuss what how to install or run DeepSeek V4 Flash. So if I go into this command prompt, let's use the CLS. If I write there Olama and chat code fork, let's do the right click on this arrow, then you can get this model. GLM 5.2, Minimax, Gma 4 and this. But DeepSeek V4 is not there. So that I'm going to install. So for this one, we need to use this command. 1 second. So selecting this. Then after opening the command prompt again, use this Olama run DeepSeek V4 Flash Cloud. So this command you need to use this, then this is installed there. So here if I go again writing the Olama, so when you use again you can get this. Let's use the right arrow, then here on Nemotron 3.5 Lightning and this DeepSeek V4 Cloud that's come there. Now selecting this, press enter. So this here you need to do the sign in. So continue with or Google or do the sign in with Olama account or GitHub. And after signing, you can start using this DeepSeek V4 Cloud in your system. Okay, so this is how we can do the installation of DeepSeek V4 Flash. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.